Welcome to my YouTube channel Marketing 5.0. Thanks Machan continuously watching my videos and subscribing to my channel and sharing with your network. So in our series of marketing today, we have seen many videos. The the videos which help the companies for these times, the trouble times you are facing. So this video actually you will see a kind of a recap and way forward in marketing today and how the company can tackle this trouble times. So we started our session with the trouble times, how actually briefing about trouble times, how the company have to cope up and look into it. And we talk about the consumer mindset, which is very important because the companies are, very important. They have to focus on the big C, the consumers. So they are the part of the business. So need to gauge the mindset of consumers are very important at this point of time, the trouble times, then accordingly the company can work out strategies to reach and attract consumers to buy the products. Then we talked about the overall business trends all over the world and specific to companies and countries and which business and what kind of a business the company needs to focus and how the trends will help the companies to look into it. Then we talk about agile organization, how the company needs to be slim, trim, and fit at this point of time, because of the low time, the aspects, the company's sales definitely would have plummeted, and the bottom line would be in trouble. So how the company had to look inwards at this point of time instead of looking outwards. So it's a kind of a self introspection stage for companies. So how they have to look into it and how they can become agile and to cut down the facts. Then we talked about the marketing focus, what kind of an aspects the company needs to focus on market and marketing aspects we discussed over there. And we talked about the direct versus digital marketing, which is another important aspect based on the popular demand, which type of marketing the company need to use and the type of business which they have to focus on B2C and B2B. Then the technology focus is another important aspect which the company needs to work on at this point of time. Then the marketing, the strategies which company needs to focus at this point of time. And what is the way forward for the company? So though we are facing the issues and the challenges for the last 8 months, but it has taught a lot of the lessons for the company and which motivated company to thrive and survive in these troubled times, which is a pretty long for many decades. The world has not faced. So the company need to look at the positive side of the aspect and learn from the situation. And there are many things the company are forced to do, like going into technology, the market, looking inwards. So these are all the lessons the company learned during these times. Definitely the lessons will really helpful to the companies, how they can take these things forward and how they can face the similar situations in the future. So it is more of a lessons. It's like a kind of going back to school. It's a kind of learning things. So for the company were just focusing on only the race and competition. So now this is the time for the company. They just they looked inwards and self introspected. So this will give a real exposure and the internal aspects to companies, how they can take it forward in the future, and it gives a lot of strength to companies to face similar situations. Definitely, the situation which are created by the external environment, the world has not faced before. So, which made most of the companies are very stronger and they become more stealthier uh, because of the situation. So that is a real positive point of it. So the company needs to look into the positive aspect, the positive side of it, and use the lessons which they learned from this situation in the future strategies and work on it. So, so this is what actually we call it as a kind of the way forward for all of us. So the future looks very bright, and definitely this situation really helped and taught a lot of lessons to all the companies in the world, be it micro or mega companies. So they all learned from there, and just look at the positive learnings and make use of that for the future development. So once again, thank you very much for your continuous support and watching my YouTube channel. And please give your valuable suggestions for the future videos series which you want me to release. Based on that, I will work on and release it. So once again, thank you very much for your continuous support.